Hey, are you overwhelmed with trying to create content for your marketing strategy, for, getting your brand out there in front of people? I know, let me just say this. I get it. I love creating content, but it becomes overwhelming for me as well. So I want to share with you my best practices on how to create content consistently for your marketing strategy to build your brand. So I'm going to share with you my plan and how I do it month to month to month so that it doesn't overwhelm me. All right. So, hey, if I am new to your feed, this face is new to your feed. Hi, I'm Elise Michelle, and I am a marketing coach for coaches. And I help coaches just like you market your business online so that you're not overwhelmed, so that you're able to attract paying clients and sell your coaching digital products. All right. And I'm super excited today to share with you my best practices. I write down things in my notebook. I write them down. I plan them out. And I thought, you know what? I get people in my DM telling me, like, Elise, I'm like overwhelmed. How are you creating content? So let me show you how I plan everything. Okay. I just break it down and I'm going to do it. I'm going to break this down so that it's not stressful. Okay. All right. So let me share my screen and pull that up. And this is my 4-week plan. Okay. That I use to market and plan out my content. So I'm going to break it down and I'm going to explain to you what I do each week. All right. So let's go into week 1. Week 1 is when I outline content for the month. Now, let me say this before I do. Let me say this. I plan out my content a month ahead. Okay. So right now, when you guys are watching this video, this is the month of May. Okay. So I am planning content for June and May. Got me? So I'm always a month behind. What is it? Month ahead? I guess month ahead. Right. I'm always planning a month ahead. So that allows me not to be so stressed. Number 1. Okay. So week 1, I plan out the content that I am going to use, outline the content that I'm going to use for the next month, right? And that's all I do for that week is outlining. So I might pull in articles. Like if you are a member of Coaching Business Simplify, you get articles every single month. And those articles can be used for your monthly marketing content, okay? So I outline that or I read over what I'm going to use, right? Outline, take notes off to the side, okay? Then the second week, I actually start to create my pillar content. And so pillar content means what is my weekly main content that I am going to share for the week. Now, that weekly content can be a video. It can be a podcast. It can be a blog post. It can be a long social media post. It can even be a email newsletter to your list. As long as it is like good content, meaty content, and it's just really stellar content. It can be called content upgrade, power content, but I like to call it pillar content. This is my main content, and this is where everything else is going to spin off from. Okay. Week 3. I then design my social media graphics. Now, I tend to get all my graphics ready for the whole 30 days. So I am at least posting 1 graphic a day. Now, for you, that might be overwhelming, and I get it. And maybe you just do 3 graphics for the week, or you hire someone like myself to create your 30 days worth of content, your graphics, then that's what you do. But I sit down and I create the 30 days worth of social media graphics so that I can post once a day. Now, the graphics and the quotes and the infographics is coming from my pillar content from week 2. Y'all see how it works? Okay. So my pillar content now becomes, I create social media graphics from the pillar content. Right? So that is week 3. And then week 4, I schedule everything. I schedule everything. Yes, I do. I schedule everything. I schedule my social media graphics. I schedule my videos. I schedule, that's what I schedule. I That's what I schedule the most, right? But I schedule everything so that now when I go into the next month, I just start this cycle all back over again. Like, and so it's not stressful. And I'm not trying to do everything all in 1 week. Typically, some people try to do all of this in 1 week. They try to outline the video. They try to record the videos during that week. Then they try to, edit or create the graphics that same week. And they try to schedule all in those 7 days. Y'all, it's only 7 days in a week. And I don't know about you. My attention span is like this short. And so I can only create for so much and do so much within a week. So what I've done, I just compartmentalize it, right? So that I do a chunk at a time, which makes it so easy, stress-free, and I'm just not overwhelmed. The key thing is I have to be a month ahead of myself. And if you start this routine now, you're going to always be a month ahead. And you already know, like if you look at your calendar and maybe you're on a vacation somewhere, like, okay, maybe I can get 2 months in this month. But I will only suggest that when you get really strong and at least planning 1 month ahead. Okay. So I hope my best practices help you out on how to plan out your marketing content. And I just want to tell you, I just want you to make it easy. I'm going to try to make it as easy as possible for you so that you are not overwhelmed. But if you do need help with mapping out your content, mapping out your social media graphics, then I strongly, strongly suggest that you join Coaching Business Simplified. If you are interested, I do have a special link for you to join for 30 days for only $7. So if that's something that you're interested in, then let me know. Drop me a link below in the comments and you can join Coaching Business Simplified for just only $7 for the first 30 days. And you're going to get so much in those 30 days that you're going to want to stay. Okay. So let me know. Drop a link below and I can share that link with you. All right. You guys have an awesome and blessed day. Peace out.